The Vivo Y20 and Y20i both feature a 6.51-inch Halo iView LCD display with an HD Plus resolution of 1600 x 720 pixels. The models are powered by a Snapdragon 460 chipset. The processor has an octa-core architecture built on an 11nm FinFET process. The processor is paired with an Adreno 610 GPU. The processor is paired with 3 GB of RAM on the Y20i, while the Y20 packs 4 GB of RAM. The two models have 64 GB of internal storage onboard. The storage is expandable up to 256 GB via duct microSD. As for the camera, the models both adopt a triple camera setup at the rear made up of a 13MP main plus 2MP depth plus 2MP macro lens. There are an 8MP selfie camera and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner which unlocks the phone in just 0.22s. The phones pack a mammoth 5000 mAh battery and features support for 18W flash charge technology that promises up to 16 hours of online HD movie streaming and 11 hours of gaming on a single charge. For interface, the phone runs on Android 10 with Funtouch OS 10.5 GPS/GLONASS/Baidu. There is also 3.5mm audio jack, FM radio and micro USB. As for the pricing, the Vivo Y20i is priced at Rs $11,490 and is available in a single 3 GB RAM plus 64 GB storage. The phone is available in Dawn White and Nebula Blue colors. It will be available starting September 3, 2020, across all partner retail stores, Vivo India eStore, and other major e-commerce websites. On the other hand, the Vivo Y20 is priced at Rs $12,990 for the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage sole option. The phone is available in Obsidian Black and Dawn White. It will be available for purchase on all partner retail stores, Vivo India eStore, and other major e-commerce websites starting August 28, 2020.